What's up, everybody? Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ here, and I got another easy trade for you today. I got to get this video out quickly because the market will open in 28 minutes, so lots of money to be made. So let's get this over really quickly. We got Zoom gapping down, and when the market opens, more people are going to take the profits. Retail traders are going to take the profits, so this thing will drop as soon as the market opens. So if you can hurry up, get some puts as soon as the market opens, you'll make quick cash. And I mean, literally, as soon as you see that you're making any money on those contracts, you sell out of them right away because this thing will reverse back up until 10:15 most likely. So if you want to, you can go buy some calls on Zoom until 10:15. You're going to want to get out most likely because that's when it's most likely to reverse. So let me pull it up on a bigger chart, but super easy trade. But don't overstay your welcome or you will lose money. So you short the open, get some very close to the money strike, you accumulate quick cash, get out. And then it's going to bounce up until 10:15 all the way over here most likely, and then you sell out of the calls, then you get to short side again and then ride it out. That's when this is going to be the most profitable opportunity, is whenever you buy these puts at 10:15, 10:20, 10:30-ish area after this initial bounce after the market drop. These are going to be the most profitable puts. You get these, you ride them down for, as long as you're comfortable for, at least sell half once it gets back to the market open. And then after that, you be an educated trader. You make your calculations based on how the day is forming and how everything looks. But those were, this is why we're sharks, guys. We make money on both sides and we know what's going to happen, and we're not closed-minded to the point where we can only make money on the short side. We can only make money to the long side. We're going to make money on both sides today. So short the open, get the fuck out real quick. It's going to bounce up, and you're going to want to collect profits at around 10:15 and then buy some puts again. Boom, it reverses. And you come back to this video after you made your money and let me know how it went. Did you time your entries and exits right, or did you not? And on top of all that, we got all the divergencies we went over in the last video between the futures, the dollar, the VIX. Now, if you missed out and you don't know what I'm talking about, then you need to go back and find that video and learn for yourself. But to the people who do know, I think you see what's going on here. If not, leave me a comment and ask me. I'll explain it to you. So huge day in the market today. Be ready for it. And with that being said, I'm Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on day trading ideas like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.